This seems like a good spot right here. Keith, why don't you tell us more about compacted soil?
When soil is compacted like this, root growth is shallow, trees weaken, water cannot infiltrate the soil. This is the #1 challenge for all urban landscape areas.
Before we perform this pH test, a little experiment, and we will tell exactly what this compacted soil is composed of. 1 mason jar, see this good old mason jar right here, which we're going to transport that soil into here. About 2/3 of the way should do it. Yeah, about 2/3 of the way. It looks about 2/3 of the way. All right. And this is going to help us to separate the substances. All right. So. And now it's time to shake. Hey, hey. From this experiment, I can see from our initial results taken 2 minutes after the shake, it was 0.5 inches. When it was all said and done, it ended up being 25% sand, 25% silt, and 50% clay.